What's going on, my virtual home? So, guys, I am so excited. Uh, I'm very, very excited because I have a product, an Amazon product that I am very, like I said, excited to share with you guys. It is actually my own product. Now, as you guys know, we have been uploading products onto the Amazon KDP software. And we've been creating low content books, okay? And first of all, this low content book journey is one that I'm actually enjoying. I'm enjoying creating different covers. Um, Now, I am by no standard a graphic designer, but it is fun to kind of just put things together. So that's what I've been doing, guys. I'm going to put the link to my author page on Amazon below so you guys can check out all of my awesome works and creations as they come. And man, I am so thrilled to have discovered this process. Guys, I am using a software called BookBolt to create, design, and list my written low content products. So, guys, if you are looking to break into the authorship world of Amazon and you want to start with low content material where you may not even have to write a single word, check out my BookBook link below and start your 3-day free trial. So, without further ado, guys, I am showing you guys and unboxing my very first journal with Amazon. Now, the journal has actually sold a few times. We're going to do another video about how much I've earned within my first 7 months or so with Amazon KDP, software. But this is actually my very first journal. I've never seen it myself, and I'm so excited that it's been selling. So, without further ado, guys, we are going to check out this journal together. So, with that being said, let me go ahead and break the seal on the packaging. Again, y'all feel free to order this journal. Order, I think they say the most I think that you can order at one time is 4. Guys, if you're feeling generous, go ahead and order 4. But yeah, this is our own work and the start of a very thrilling journey with Amazon. So, guys, we are going to be picking up the low content, doing more low content books and stuff like that, but we're going to get into the medium and high content books as well. So, I just cannot wait to continue to grow with you guys. Man, you guys are the best part of the network. You guys show so much support, and I'm so excited to be here with you, my virtual home. You guys are the best. So, without further ado, da, 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 we have my journal. Oh my, it's beautiful. It is. It's beautiful. So, this is my journal that I created, and it is actually the You Rock journal, guys, because you absolutely rock, okay? We rock, okay? So this is our You Rock journal. It is a blank journal. So this is a quick look at the pages. Guys, I'm going to fill this up with so many good business notes and strategies and upcoming plans and ideas, because I truly believe that we rock, okay? So guys, this is my first journal. Amazon does give you the barcode at the back of the journal, guys. Oh my God, look at us. We are growing and it's showing. So yeah, I'm so happy about this. So guys, yeah, this is definitely like I said, a new journey for me, and I'm excited. You guys, you have no idea how much I truly love journals. Like I really do. Like it's not even something that I'm capping on just because I'm in the Amazon KDP program. But no, seriously, I love journals, and it's not unusual for me to buy like 4 or 5 journals at a time. So with me creating my own journals, guys, I'm so excited. It gives me um, a sense of just proud. I'm just proud, you know. I'm proud of myself, and I'm just proud to see, where we could go from here. So, guys, uh, in a effort to continue to encourage us, make sure you pick up this You Rock journal today and add it to your journal collection. Once you have purchased the You Rock journal, definitely come back to the comments and let us know that you have purchased our journal. We're so excited, man. So, this is actually my very first uh, digital product. Like I started with KDP. Like I said, I created this journal on using BookBook, by the way. This interior was found on BookBook. These graphics were found on BookBook. This is a total BookBook BookBook creation, guys. So, man, if you want to jump into that side of things, make sure you go ahead and start your 3-day free trial. After your free trial of BookBook, you're gonna have an opportunity to sign up on the newbie or the pro membership. I'm on the newbie membership, which is $9.99 per month, but I'm finna jump over to the pro membership because in the pro membership you get to create puzzles. I am so excited, guys. All right, so with that being said, guys, man, this is beautiful. Okay, I have so many ideas. Like I want to just kind of print off some of these and actually start to sell them at events. Like go to different events with my journals and retail them at different events, guys. I'm so excited. The opportunities are absolutely endless. And like I said, I couldn't be more happier and more proud of myself because you guys know I don't like to quantify things. I just like to say things are going to get big, okay? Things are going to get really big, okay? How big? That is totally up to God, guys. That is totally up to our good Lord. And if it wasn't for God, guys, I wouldn't have even made the first step. So, with that being said, um, we're gonna have some fun. And I'm gonna take a lot of you guys with me. I'm not going to leave you out. So, with that being said, guys, order your journal today. Don't delay. There is nothing like it on the marketplace. It might be similar stuff, but it's not this. Okay, so you actually rock, guys. You really rock. Like you guys are overcoming so much, and so am I. Oh my God, even right now, you would be mind blown, if I share it to you some of the struggles and the trials that I've been through and that I'm going through. We're going to talk about it. We going to talk about it. But for right now, guys, we all can write about it. We can write about what we've been going through. We can write about what's on our mind. Writing and journaling is so very important, guys, and it's something that I'm going to continue to encourage. I mean, if it wasn't for journaling, I don't really know where I would be. Seriously, I've been through some very, very tough times, and there's been some times where I felt like there was nobody I could talk to. Only my pen and my paper. So, guys, my pen and my paper, we are going far. And with that being said, guys, like this video if you like this video. Check out our links below. Do what you can to support the network so that we can continue to bring you valuable content here on my virtual home. Guys, if you want to be a part of our family, then subscribe to our channel, guys. We'll be happy to have you here. And if you want to be the very first to get content as soon as we drop it, because you guys know we do a diverse channel here. You know, you liable to get anything on this channel. I do try to create playlists so that you guys can find the content that you're most interested in. But man, we talk about a lot here on my virtual home. With that being said, if you want to be the first to get notified when we drop new content, hit the bell notification button. It should be somewhere up here. And man, check us out. Look at God. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna see you on the next episode.